Is this thing level? I think it's level. They made it right. I got free drinks for that. What's up, everybody? Happy, what time is it? Almost hump day. By the time you see this video, it's going to be Wednesday. Hope everybody's doing well. And in today's video, talk about something that I find very important. This high fructose corn syrup candy is amazing. You ever heard of these? They're delicious. They're basically like a Twizzler, but only way more epic. They're soft, so they're malleable, have like sort of a plasticky smell to them. Well, I can't even call them Twizzlers. The texture on these Redvines are not like a Twizzler. No. They're a little bit more porous. I don't know if you can see this here. And then when you bite it, that is good. They're a bit more hollow. If you wanted to use this as a straw, dual purpose, it's a straw, but they're so good. They're delicious. Best part about these, they're only 100 calories. The sodium's low, 12 grams. My God. Now this box was full when I started 30 minutes ago. I have officially eaten all the Redvines. For some reason I felt compelled to share this with you. These things are so good. I don't know, I feel emotional. I don't know why I'm crying over a piece of candy. Oh my God, they're really so good. But these are so fucking delicious. This video is not sponsored by Redvine at all. But if you want to pick some up, you can get them at CVS or Walgreens. They're 3 for $1. I'm Rachel Dobo. Thanks for watching.